Okay, so here we have a DJI Mavic 2 Pro, and the bottom plate is slightly damaged. Here it's scuffed. So tonight's video we're going to swap out this bottom plate for our replacement that was got on Amazon. We'll see what the fit's like and what the materials compare. Okay, let's get started. So firstly, take the memory card out. You fold these two legs up out of the way. The gimbal guard off. You'll need one of these open these two screws here. Now this piece here slides forward like that until it clicks. Catch each side and pull it out. Pair of locating pegs. They sit in here and here. Right, to get the base plate off, you need to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There's no other real damage to this apart from that scuff, but we said we'd change it when we had one. And that leg there is a bit of a scratch on it as well. I think the replacement bottom was only about €12 or something from Amazon, which is quite cheap. Right, be careful when you lift this up, tilt it over this way. There's a ribbon cable underneath. This one here. So get a nail or plastic pry tool if you like, and just lift it slightly and up it'll come. Simple as that. So now we need to remove this board and get ready to swap it over to the other one. Actually, we compare them to make sure they look quite similar. Yeah, it all looks fairly similar. Look. Right. We have a small Phillips 0 size. We're going to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. These two are holding down the ribbon cable protector. Just lift it slightly. Okay. So both boards look identical. On that side anyway. Okay, looks to be a straight swap. Careful when you tighten these because they're going into aluminium, they could strip quite easily. So Tight is tight. Let's get the edge goes back on. So give these little lenses a clean just to make sure that no dirt on them. Okay, so ribbon cable back in first. See it in position and it should click down like that. There's a tiny bit of glue on this part of it, so just touch it off to hold it in place. And that's it. There's no particular order for tightening these down, just make sure it's sitting even before you tighten them. Okay, now this piece, again, tabs catch each side here and here. Catch them in. Once they're in place, push it back into the clicks. Like that. Just 2 screws go back in. Just pop the memory card back in. That's it. Nice and simple.